We'll guide you through how to create textures for Blender using the most recent methods and UI elements for 2025 and 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and start a new project if you haven't already. To begin texturing, you need to have a model ready, so either create one or import an existing object into your scene. Once you have your model, go over to the shading workspace, which you can find at the top of the Blender interface. This is where you'll create and edit your textures. Look for the shader editor at the bottom of the workspace. Now, if you want to add a texture, select your model and click on New in the shader editor to create a new material. You'll see a principled BSDF node appear. This is your main shader node. To add a texture image, press Shift+A to bring up the Add menu, then go to Texture and choose Image Texture. Connect the color output of the Image Texture node to the base color input of the principled BSDF node. Click on Open in the Image Texture node to browse and select your desired texture image from your computer. Now your texture should appear on your model in the 3D view. If it doesn't look right, you may need to adjust the UV mapping. To do this, switch to the UV editing workspace, select your model, and unwrap it by pressing U, then choosing Unwrap. You can then adjust the UV islands to fit your texture correctly. Finally, go back to the shading workspace to make any additional adjustments, like tweaking the roughness or metallic values on the principled BSDF node, to get the look you want. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.